All right, so I'm here to talk about the last of the mind and mood kits. This is kit number 3. I've been loving these kits. I love all the oils that are coming with them. And as you'll notice, like sometimes throughout the kits, they have some repeat oils because they are just really good ones to benefit you when it comes to your mind and your mood. So I'm just going to go through the ones that are in this kit, talk about them a little bit. And then if you have any questions, you can always reach out to me on social media. So first we got lavender. Everybody knows about lavender. This is a good one too. You also have cedar wood. So these two together, you can diffuse these to wind down for the evening. So you can put these in your house, diffuse them at night. I like to use these in my bath. If I'm going to take a bath before I go to bed, perfect. I would do like 2 to 3 drops of each with some Epsom salts. That would be amazing. You could also, if you have some veggie caps, some little capsules, you can buy those on Amazon, easy, and then put a couple drops of this and take it. And that will help you to like calm down. And if you're feeling anxious or whatever, it'll help calm down those feelings as well. So lavender is good for so many things, not just when it comes to the mind and mood kit, but this one's really good for any type of rashes or bug bites or any type of irritations on your skin. Lavender is a really good one, but really helps with sleep. You can also use this for sleep as well. Put it on the bottoms of your feet before you go to sleep. All right. The cedar wood like I was just talking about. This one is says after a difficult day, diffuse to create a relaxing environment. This one is very kind of woody, obviously cedar wood, but I love using this, like I mentioned before, in my bath to help me to sleep. It says here too, when a child wakes up scared in the night, apply this to his or her neck, wrists, and the bottoms of the feet to relax them. So this would be a really good one for kids. If they wake up with nightmares, or they wake up and they're just, unable to go back to sleep, either one of these would be really good. As always with the oils, especially with kids, you always want to make sure you use some type of like fractionated coconut oil, lotion, something, so that it just kind of, it's not as strong. So you're kind of going to, I can't think of the word, but you know what I mean. So always use it with something else like lotion, fractionated coconut oil, some other type of lotion that you can just rub it, put it in your hand, rub it, and put it on the child's skin. The next one is, I don't have this one yet, but this is adaptive, which I've talked about a lot. Oh, there it is. I love the adaptive oil for calming my mood. I use it for sleep. I use it if I'm going to be in a stressful situation, if I'm just feeling overwhelmed. And so this is a good calming mist. So again, it's a spray. Let's see if I can open it. It says, used to freshen various rooms in your house and set the mood before having guests or family over. So kind of calming for you and for everybody if they come in. Used to freshen various rooms in your house and set them. Oh, sorry, just read. Because they posted it twice on this little thing. So this would be something too, like I said, I like to use this one for sleep. So it might be kind of good to spray it on my pillow. So that could be something you could do as well, spray it on your pillow. But this one's just, it's almost like energizing and calming at the same time, but it won't keep you from sleeping. So this would be a really good one for sleep as well. Then the Serenity Linen Mist. So this is one that you can use on Serenity. I use Serenity for sleep. I use Serenity for calming. I use it on the bottoms of my feet, on the back of my neck, on my wrists before I go to sleep. But this one you could just literally spray on your pillow before you go to bed. And I have done that as well. Next we got Citrus Bliss. Citrus Bliss is, if you like orange, anything orange smelling, you're going to love this one. This is one of my favorite oils. It's kind of like a muted orange though. It's not so like wild orange. I really like this one. This one I diffuse with peppermint sometimes just to energize. But it's also, I used this on a client one time that she was feeling like anxious and anxiety, like she was having hard times breathing. And I took this and told her to rub it on her chest, and she said she started to feel better. So really good one for that. It also says you can put a drop in your palms. So this is a good way to like energize you, pick you up. If you're kind of feeling down or anxious or sad, put a couple drops in your palm, rub it together. Nice big inhale, rub it on your wrist, maybe on the backs of your neck so you can smell it throughout the day. So again, love this one as well. I've used all of these except for the linen or the adaptive spray. So I can tell you 100%, these are all great oils. Balance, another good one that I love. I like these little roller bottles because they're so easy. You can put them in your purse. You can travel with them. So good for kids because they already have the fractionated coconut oil in them. So they're diluted down. That's the word I was looking at. So you can rub them on the inside of your wrist. This is one which is kind of ironic. I use Balance when I'm going to the dentist. I don't like people in my face. And so when the dentist is in my teeth all the time, I find out that I go like this. So what I do is I put this on my wrists and on my neck and my chest, smell it before I go, and then I can smell it as I'm there, and it helps to keep me calm. So it would be the same thing if you're feeling overwhelmed or overworked or stressed out or anxious about something. This would be a really good one. So I love that it's already in the roller bottle. They also have it in just the regular bottles like this. It'll just be a little bit stronger, but this is so good to rub on your neck, on your wrists, even on the bottoms of your feet. Really good for kids. Says keep on hand for a calming, tranquil aroma that counteracts stressful moments such as during your daily commute. Oh, good one for traffic as well. So good one to keep in your purse. I love these for that as well. And the last thing in the kit is the mini body butter. Not sure what's in here, but let's just open it up quick, see what it smells like. It doesn't have a ton of smell. Oh, because you can put any one of these oils in there. So this, when I said, remember to dilute it down with something, you could do this. You could put some of this on your palm, take a couple drops of the citrus bliss or the cedar wood or the serenity and put it, and then rub it together, and then rub it on the bottoms of your feet, on the back of your neck, whatever. But really good lotion as well. I have one of these by my bed that has Serenity already in it. So you can do that. But these are amazing, amazing kits. You can, when you sign up, you get all three of them. They come each month. You can cancel them at any time. Like I could have continued to get more, but I didn't need more. So I canceled the 3, which is kind of nice because then I have a whole stock of these oils that I can continue to use for months, afterwards. So if you want to set up for them, let me know if you'd love to get started on these or the other kit that I talked about. Let me know. Or if you have any questions about any of the oils, reach out to me on social media. You can post in any of the groups that I'm on. So I'd love to help you because I think essential oils should be a part of everybody's life. So that's it. Thanks for listening.